dog, we are going to focus just on 1.16.6 on this video. But guys, if you are watching and if this is useful for you, please hit that subscribe button. Help me out. I spent my time going through this, putting the video up, in good faith. Help me out. It takes 2 seconds to hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Let's get right to it then, right? Exercise 1.16.6, Midpoint Karel. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this one took me a few hours to program, and it's an interesting puzzle, to say the least. So let's just look what's happening. So you have Karel on the left, and then Karel must somehow end up at the midpoint over here, place a ball, be facing towards the right at the midpoint. Now, this is midpoint 7, meaning there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spots. There's 8 spots. You also see that the midpoint for an even number, 1, 2, 3, 4, is always going to be on the left side of the even. So, like right where my mouse is, right here, that's in the middle. 4.5 is right in between, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.5, right? So we have 8 midpoints, so it should find the leftmost point of that midpoint. If it's odd, it's easy enough, right in the middle, and it should be able to go as wide as 15. And this one caught me in the beginning, right? Midpoint at just 1. That actually took out an entire hour of coding because I forgot to put in midpoint 1, where it's just 1 point, and I had to go back and redo my code to account for it. So I'm going to tell you guys right off the rip, first thing that you're going to want to do is check to see if the front is clear. If the front's not clear, place ball, break, you're done, right? Other than that, if the front is not clear, then you're going to want to initiate protocol. Now, I started with the odds, and then I moved over to the evens. However, some people did a little differently. I'm going to show you my method. However, there is one method that I did not try, and my buddy, Mr. Weber, he's a brilliant man. What he did was he used the step programming that we did earlier in these exercises, where we had Karel go up, over, up, over, up, over, up, over, create like a line, right? So he created, like all up in here, he created a line of dots. Then he went down, nothing. When Karel saw something, he broke it, and then he created another line. So what he did was he placed a ball on the diagonals. Now, there had been 2 balls placed right dead center. If it's even, it would have placed 4 balls in here. So his programming was just a little bit quirkier than ours, right? However, for the odds, right, he was able to track down where there were multiple balls, right? He got rid of them all, so he placed balls all up on the diagonal. Then he went through, took 1 ball away, right? If the ball was present, he took 1 ball away. Then he went wherever there was 1 ball left, he found it, took it away, turned around, turned down, placed the ball, turn right, boom. And for the odds, his was super easy. I'm not entirely sure what he did with the evens. You'd have 4 right in the middle. Probably something along the lines of look to see if you have balls that are placed near each other, like, move, if, like some kind of, if is ball present, move, is ball present, true or false statement at that point. That would have taken a little bit of programming on the evens, and the evens are really where it goes, right? However, for me, this is my code. So here's what I decided. I was actually thinking about the arcade game that's like a circle, and like it goes around in a circle. It's like a light, and it boom, and like it bounces and it goes back and forth, right? And then you gotta hit your button. You gotta hit the button, as that light comes past you. I'm thinking, like, what if I can get a feedback loop, right, where I place a ball and it dings back and forth, and the ding just gets smaller and smaller and smaller. So it was like creating a barrier in a sense, right? So don't forget that midpoint 1 exists. Plus, put the ball if the front is blocked. Turn around, you're good, right? I really didn't need to do anything. I could actually just put break, and then it would have worked, right? However, for me, putting a ball worked on all of my cases. So here is the idea. I placed the ball, I turned Karel the dog around, right? I had to insert things like go east, go west, right? So let's just look at it, right? Place the ball. If front is blocked, turn around. Actually, no, I needed that. I'm sorry. That I use that for other stuff, right? Front is clear. Return to start. Okay, so here's where it gets interesting. If facing west, so right now I am facing west. I'm going to use this process, right? By the way, that's return to origin. So if facing west, I'm not facing west. Now I'm facing east. Okay. While no balls are present, while there is a ball present, right? Boom. You'll see why. Because eventually what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this ball. I'm going to move it over one. That's where the no balls present is going to work, right? Move. What I'm doing is I'm sniffing, right? Is there a ball here? And you'll see the why in the future. Turn around. Take that ball. Turn around. Place that ball. Turn around. Good. See, now I'm facing west, right? So every time I move that ball, I want to continue. Round. Well, no ball's present. Well, there is a ball present. Take the ball. Move the ball. However, no ball is... And we're only going to move it if no ball is present. You're going to see why in the future. Right? We return the origin, and we start the process all over again, right? If facing east, well, no... Okay, so, like, we return the origin, right? Turn around. Now we're back at origin. Facing east again. All right, start it all over again. While no ball's present, move until you find a ball. Cool. We found a ball. Now that we found a ball, we have to see if there's a ball in front of it. If there's not a ball here, we're going to go back, pick it up, and place it in front of it. Boom. Oh, no ball present. Turn around, get the ball, place it. I turn it to the west, by the way, so that way I can initiate the go back over here and then find that one. Go back to the wall, right? So that's my ping, right? Turn around. Cool. Start over again. So what I'm doing is I'm going east, find the ball, move it over. Then I go to the west. I hit the ball. I go all the I go all the way to the edge. I turn around and then I gotta find the ball and then move the ball over. So I'm going boom, move ball, boom, move ball, ball, ball. I'm getting the balls closer to each other. The ball's present. Cool. Take the ball. Move. No balls are present. Place the ball. Cool. Return to origin. Boom. We're going to return to origin. Cool. Turn around. All right, cool. Let's do it again. Move. No ball present. No ball present. Cool. Ball is present. Move. No ball is present. Sniff it out. Cool. Take it. Place it. Initiate the command where I want you now to go all the way to the right side. Cool. Turn around. All right. Find the next ball. Cool. Well, a ball is definitely present. So take the ball. Move. Now. Up to this point, no ball has been present. What we would do is put the ball, turn around, and return to origin. However, now that a ball is present, turn left, we break, and now we're out. That's the easy part about the odds, right? Because with the odds, as long as I'm facing west and I catch it, the next ball over is always the one that's in the right spot. Because it'll go place ball. Let's actually do that. Let's watch. All right, place the ball. Place the ball. Turn around. Return to origin. Get the ball. Move it over one. If nothing's there, cool. Go get the other one. Move it over if nothing's there. Yep, return to origin. Cool. Do it again. Get the first ball. Move it over. Get the second ball. Move it over if there's nothing in front of it. Boom. Now, because this is odd, this is the odd section, this ball will always be moved into this section first, meaning that on my return journey, when I come back this way, this ball will run into this one, which means I take it away, I move over, and I just make sure he's facing left, or he's facing right, and it's over. Sniff it out. Boom. Go. Nice. Midpoint 8. Cool. Let's check out this one. So place the ball. Same code, right? Start all over again. The even one. This one's a little bit harder. Get out. Cool. Go to the side, wait till it hits the edge. Cool. Take the ball, move it. Return to origin. Cool. Start over again. Find it. Yep. Nothing in front of it. Cool. Go get the other one. Boom. Nice. Get over one. Boom. Start again. Find it. Go over. Sniff out. Nothing there. Cool. Go back all the way to the right. Cool. Find the next ball. Move it over. Cool. Return to origin. Boom. Now this is where the evens kind of threw me for a loop for a little bit, but I figured it out. So we're going to move, right? We're going to catch the ball. Now remember, every time we get this ball, the first thing we do is we move forward one, we sniff out. If there's not a ball, usually we turn around, get that ball, take it, and then move it over one. However, in our case, right, we return to origin, go find the next ball, boom. All right, we found it. Ball's present, move. Now in this case, it says if no balls are present, we're going to do this. However, a ball is present. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that ball, and we're just going to turn around, turn left, and we're going to break, and we're done. And that is my code, ladies and gentlemen. And it works on every single one of the worlds that they give us. Mine is only limited to a 15 world. I could increase it to 100 or 1,000 in the for loop here. If I was a master programmer, I would have done something else. That way I didn't rely on for loops. However, I'm going to slowly run through this code from this point on out. That's just so that you can copy it if you want. Remember, guys, try this on your own. It is a very tough one. It took me a lot of trial and error to get this one right. So I hope you enjoy. I'm just going to go ahead and start scrolling down. That way you guys can see. Hopefully use it if you are stuck. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'm out.